Zane, come look at this! Is it a real ticket? It says Dreamland Station. There is a train outside our house. That's definitely not normal.
Are you coming?
The train talks!
Yes, and I don't like being shouted at.
Wait for me!
Bobo. Professional adventurer. Still working on the professional part.
Where are we going?
Somewhere that needs your help.
This place is amazing!
This place is amazing.
Welcome. Dreamland is in danger.
What happened?
The dream crystal has disappeared. Without the crystal, children everywhere may stop having wonderful dreams.
Then we have to find it. Look!
Those aren't mine. Probably.
Can we eat the trees?
Absolutely not.
Too late! Why is the bridge laughing? Maybe it heard my jokes. Be careful. We'll stay together. You took the crystal. I didn't want to hurt anyone. We were all worried about you. I thought nobody wanted me here. You didn't need to steal the crystal. You could have asked. Really? Yes.
But don't steal anything else.
You saved Dreamland.
We all did. This is the best adventure ever! You said that before we entered the candy forest. It keeps getting better.
Remember, Dreamland is always nearby.
We'll never forget. Isla. I see it. We're going again, right? Definitely.